I'm sending you to 2024. You have a couple of fans that have a word about you, Joe. Let's see what they have to say.
Hey, Opie, we'll catch a few fish for supper and watch some of Ron and Joe's music videos.
Pa, I really like watching their videos.
Sunlight cracks the city street, leather boots and tapping feet. Coffee cold but hearts ignite. We're alive in the morning light. Guitars hum, the rhythm drives. Every note keeps us alive. We don't speak. The sound's enough, crashing through, smooth yet rough. No words, just feel the flame. Every chord calls out your name.